And I'd like to welcome you all back to another episode of my C7 Corvette channel. And I'm your host, John Chad. And you're looking at one of the days when we was out at the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So if you ever thought about it or considered ordering your Corvette through the Corvette Museum, you may do so for a fee of $999. And keep in mind that the museum also offers insurance for you Corvette owners on and off of the racetrack. If you're one of those drivers that likes to track your vehicle. Most major insurance carriers do not offer on a track type of insurance. But the Corvette Museum, if you get your insurance through the Corvette Museum, they do offer that kind of insurance for you as a Corvette owner. And the museum is located in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And I would encourage you, if it's your first time owning or ordering a new Corvette, to go through this experience. And I have visited the museum several times, and I can tell you it was a treat each time I would go there and visit and look at these beautiful cars sitting in the waiting area, waiting for the owners to take possession of the vehicle. And keep in mind that the museum also has a gift shop, souvenir shop. So bring your pocketbooks, bring your bill folders, bring your credit cards. There's a many other things that you will see that you might want to purchase when it comes to the Corvette, such as shirts, hats, jackets, and memorabilia Corvette items. And if you go across the street, you'll come to the racetrack where you can track your vehicle for a fee. You can either run your vehicle around the track, or you can run their vehicle around the track. And if you want to see how a C8 Corvette drives before you actually purchase one, then you could go through that course and drive their vehicle around the racetrack. It costs you about between $300 and $400, and then you'll see whether or not the C8 Corvette is a good fit for you. I'm John Schaff, and you're viewing another episode of my C7 Corvette channel. And I ask you to hit the like button, share button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when I am doing a upload. And again, you're looking at the Corvettes in the waiting area, waiting for their owners to come and take possession of the vehicle at the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. It is definitely worth the drive to attend the museum. There you will learn all about the history of the Corvette, including the collapse of the tunnel inside the museum. They have that area also is open. And if you haven't heard, they come in one day few years ago. Come in one day, and the inside of the Corvette museum had collapsed, and a lot of the cars had fell down in a tunnel up under the building. And some of those cars were saved, and some of those cars that was wrecked and tore up. Those cars are still there at the museum on display. And they also show you how they repaired the museum and whatnot. And they have all these things on display when it comes to the history of the Corvette. And they also have the founding father of the Corvette, the chief engineer, and I kind of forgot his name, but he's Belgian born, and he come to the U.S. and he's the chief engineer for the Corvette, and he's part of the reason that we have the C8 Corvette mid-engine today, because he wanted a mid-engine Corvette way back in the 50s and 60s, but GM did not agree with him at that particular time about building a mid-engine vehicle. But he went and did it himself without them knowing it. And of course, when they found out that he had built a mid-engine vehicle, they shut down his program. And that vehicle, mid-engine, first mid-engine Corvette, it was not the C8. It was way back 30 years ago when they built a mid-engine, when they actually built a mid-engine Corvette. And that Corvette is there in the museum for you to look at. And this is the waiting area, also where they keep the C8 Corvette, waiting to be put on the showroom floor. The showroom floor can only take a limited amount of vehicles. So these here are in their waiting area, waiting to get some room to actually go on the showroom floor. And if you go to the track and go behind the track, there's a buildings storage area behind the racetrack there in Bowling Green, Kentucky, where they have a whole lot of Corvettes sitting back there waiting to be cleaned up and prepared for the owners. Once they're cleaned up and prepared for the owners, then they bring them down to the Corvette museum, and they wait in line to go onto the showroom floor. Like I said, there's only a limited amount of Corvettes that can go on that floor, and the rest of them goes into the garage. And they also have a cafeteria, as you can see. And these vehicles right here, like I said, they have been prepped and waiting to go to the showroom floor for the owner to pick up. And I'm John Schaff, and you're viewing another episode of my C7 Corvette channel, where all things are Corvette. And actually hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when I am doing a upload. And we thank you in advance for watching. Corvette Museum, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Just off of I-65.